Okay, in this ranking task, we're going to be looking at velocity. Specifically, we're asked to rank these on the basis of the final velocity. So we're assuming all of these are moving from left to right. In fact, we're told that. They're all moving from left to right. And so we really just need to look at the last two dots for each motion. So this one's moving along at a certain speed. This one's moving along also at a constant speed. We see in C, the object's speeding up, but all we're interested in is the final velocity. So it really just comes down to these last two dots. We know that velocity is equal to displacement over time. And so we just rank these based on their displacement. So this one has a displacement of 2 meters. This one, 1 meter. This one's 1, 2, 3, about 3.7 meters. Okay, when you're given the chance and you have something that doesn't line up right on one of the increments, don't just be lazy and say it's 4.5, so 4.5 to 8. It really, you can tell it's closer to the 4 than the 5. So 4.4 or 4.3 would be reasonable. And so this is either going to be 3.6 or 3.7. Here, 3 meters. This one, I think that one is exactly halfway between the 7 and 8, at least best I can tell. So that's 0.5 meters, and the last one has a displacement of 1 meter. So we don't really know what the time interval is. It doesn't tell us. We just know that all of the time intervals are the same. So as this thing was plugging away, some amount of time went by between the second to last dot and the last dot. Maybe it was 1/10 of a second. But whatever it was the same for this one and all of them. So we would be dividing by the same time for all of them. And so now we can just look at these and see which is the least, which is E. And then next comes B and F. And after that comes A. There we go. And then we've got D and C. That's a fairly simple one. I think you're ready to go ahead and try that next one on your own.